Alright everybody, just Ron here. I know I haven't really asked anyone so far to subscribe or hit the bell or anything. So I just really wanted to just make videos just to have fun and keep everybody excited and just show unboxes and just doing regular stuff in my life, but if you want to hit the bell, subscribe, like, whatever, make comments, go for it. Today once again I opened something up from Amazon. Of course, I buy random stuff from Amazon all the time. You know that if you watch some of my other videos. I actually have 3 videos now that are over 500 views, which is pretty good. Black & Decker products. So first off, in this box here, open it up here. There is a bunch of bubble tape. There is a bunch of AirPlus stuff, which is good. Alright. So, once again, I spent money on Amazon Prime Day. Just picking up a couple items. I really didn't need anything, but I bought some stuff anyway because the deals were just that good. And I bought the, it's so funny, I always buy the products, I cannot pronounce the name. Let's see, Mafiti, I don't know. Anyway, so what this is it's an LED backlight gaming keyboard and mouse, and I got a pretty solid good deal on this. I think I paid maybe 13 bucks for it, for a mouse and a keyboard. And I'm not a gamer. I game maybe like on Xbox sometimes, but I'm not a gamer where I'm gaming on computers. But the reason I purchased this was for the lighted keyboard. See the colors? So at night when I'm typing and editing my videos for Just Ron, the channel that you're watching now, I won't wake everybody up. I have my lighted keyboard so I can type in the dark and still see what I'm doing. By the way too, if you like this video or any of my other videos, please check them out. Just Ron, just starting the channel up to have fun and meet new people and talk about different things and just do product reviews, life stories. I got a garden film too as well. Pretty cool. So it's a lighted keyboard, which is pretty cool. Like I say, some other ones 40, 50, 60 bucks, 13 bucks to game with a mouse. And the mouse, I think, actually lights up too. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna open it up here real quick. So I'm gonna open it up here. Show you this top quality product that I purchased off Amazon. There is a something here too. So let's pull the keyboard out, and first notice it is wrapped pretty good. Got things on both sides here. Plastic covering it. So one thing I like about this keyboard already, and I've never even used it, so my word means probably nothing to you. The keys are raised up, you see? That keeps all that dirt and all that grime and stuff, just goes right to the bottom. So you'll worry about when you're gaming out and you are snacking out at the same time, all the crumbs and stuff will fall right to the bottom. See? You just dust them right off. Click them off, you're done. That's pretty cool. There's a mouse too as well. It's got a clicky, rolly, and a button here too. That's got to be some kind of gamer stuff. You gamers, let me know. What does that mean, that button here? I don't know. It's got buttons on the side. Oh wow, I got 2 buttons on the side, up and down. Don't know what that means, but I'm going to be using this soon, so I'm really excited. And then I'm unboxing the rest of this here. The cord's pretty long, so if you want to go wireless, I was trying to go wireless, but it was just a little too out of my budget, so I went wired. But especially with the lights, I don't know if you can even get wireless lighted ones. Maybe put batteries in them, but I didn't want to do that. On the back it has the 2 pop-out stands where you can elevate it, so it can sit on the table, elevate it, or you can lower it down and just have it regular, flat. Here's the wires here. Here is the trusty dusty instructional manual here, which will provide you all types of information that will be useful. And the model number is RK101. Zoom in, zoom out, come on camera. Time for me to upgrade cameras. If you guys got any ideas of what cameras for on a budget to upgrade to, please let me know. I have a Canon now. I have the Canon SX 740 HS. 40 times zoom, love it. Flip screen, can watch myself look stupid on YouTube. There's the instructions there. So what I'm gonna do is, also another things too, this is Windows compatible for everybody. It's got a gamer thing on it, and it has the backlight on it too as well. There's some music, there's some cheat codes in the back for all you gamers, and it says it is, well, I'll post all this on the thing, but I'll let you look at it here. It's all the specs. If you're a real like gamer nerd, these probably mean something to you. So you can post at the bottom and say, hey, just Ron, these aren't really that good, or oh, these rock for the price you paid for them. But yeah, so that's it there for the product, and hope everybody enjoyed this. All right, just Ron here. Here's the finished product of the keyboard. Loving the lights already. Going across here, and the mouse is even cool too. So now I can type and edit my videos at night if I want to do some online research or something, or and it's dark and I want to keep everybody up. I got a lit keyboard here now so that I can see what buttons I'm typing, spelling things correctly, hitting the right buttons, and it's raised above too as well, which is pretty cool. And I'll keep it clean too as well. So yeah, there's the product. So far so good, really enjoying it. Great deal, great deal. Thanks everybody, it's just Ron, and I'm checking out. You guys be safe, take care out there.